Friends, in previous video we have learned about the magnetic field pattern, then Oersted experiment. Let us learn the magnetic field produced by three ways. There are three types of conductor. First one the straight conductor, second one the circular loop, and the third one the solenoid loop. The magnetic field line produced by straight conductor. Let us learn about that. Here, in this experiment, you have to take a cardboard sheet C and insert a AB conductor in it to keep as a vertical position, and arrange the experiment as like this one. Means the free end of a AB is connected to battery and another end to the key. When you allow to pass the electric current, at that time you have to sprinkle the iron fillings on it. When you sprinkle the iron fillings, at that time the concentric lines are formed, and that concentric lines have, means here the concentric line means have centers have a point center as a line on that conductor. These conductors when show a concentric line, that concentric lines are anti-clockwise. When you pass a electric current in an upward direction, at that time the concentric lines are anti-clockwise. If you change the direction, means the polarity means if you change the terminal, positive replaced by negative and negative replaced by positive, at that time you observe that the current flow or the magnetic lines are clockwise direction. In this way, the magnetic lines are concentric. Then what are the magnitude of the magnetic line? Magnitude means the strength of the magnetic line is depends upon the current, how much quantity of current is flow. Greater the current, stronger, more will be the strength of that magnetic lines. And another, the how far away from that. In this way, this was more clarified by Maxwell thumb rule, right hand thumb rule. Here, Maxwell thumb rule. Here, imagine that you are holding a conductor in your right hand. Stretch your thumb. The direction of thumb is the electric current, and your encircled or circled fingers show the direction of a magnetic lines. When it is in a vertical position or upward position, at that time anti-clockwise direction. But if you take in this manner means the direction is in a downward direction. The magnetic lines are clockwise direction. In this way, this is about the straight conductor. Now the second pattern of a conductor, that is the circular loop. Circular loop means it makes a circular. The conducting wire is the circular. Here you have to take a cardboard sheet and insert the cardboard sheet point at this one and this one. You will get a circular loop, and that three end of a circular loop connected to the terminals of a battery, and by passing or sprinkling the iron fillings, you will find that the concentric line. But the concentric lines here, there are two points. If the positive terminal means in a vertical position, the lines are anti-clockwise, and here the current is in a downward direction. At that time, the magnetic lines are in a clockwise direction. Here you might have observed that the current current here the magnetic lines are add up at the middle of this circular loop, because from this side the it goes in a same direction, and from that side also goes one direction. Means brief, the strength of magnetic field or a magnetic force is the maximum at the middle one. Suppose this one is a disk magnet, and how you can say that it is a south pole according to clock face rule. This one is the south and north one. When if the magnetic lines are anti-clockwise, this is the south pole, whereas the magnetic lines are clockwise, then the north pole. You can identify or determine the pole by using the bar magnet. Here the magnitude of a circular loop is depends upon, first of all, the radius of a circular loop. The radius of circular loop is inversely proportional to the magnitude of a magnetic lines. Because if you increase the radius of a circular loop, the magnitude lines become the weaker. Second thing, if the magnetic lines are more or maximum, if you use the more circuit electric current through it, means the greater the current, more will be the strength of that magnetic lines. The third thing is that here in this experiment we use only the one turns. Instead of that, if you increase the turns of the electric wire, you will get the more types of magnetic field lines. In this way, this is about the circular loop. And third one, that is the solenoid. Solenoid means here the here the electric wire is wound around to form a circular. Here also, the red color I have drawn the copper wire in a giving the turns, that is called as a solenoid. When you pass the electric current, at the time what happens? The magnetic lines are parallel to each other, and then they are uniform. But more thing you have to remember, the magnetic field lines or the strength of magnetic field line is the maximum at both poles. In this way, these types of a solenoid, the magnetic field solenoid acts as a bar magnet, means have a south pole and north pole. One more thing, that the magnitude of solenoid is depends upon the three factors. First factor, that is first factor about the how many turns are there, means the number of turns. More the number, greater will be the strength of the magnetic field. The second one, how much quantity of, or the strength of, greater the quantity of electric current, greater will be the, or the strength will, more strength will be the magnetic field. And third one, in that solenoid, which type of core material used? If you use the soft iron, you will get the more types of magnetic fields. And in this way, we have learned that there are three types of straight conductor, circular and solenoid. You might get a question that, in which type of a conductor you will get the more magnetic field. Comparatively, most in this solenoid, more in the circular, and least in a straight conductor. According to use of application of a conductor or application of that device, we have to use that. In electric motor, such a type of a solenoids are used. In this way, this is about a magnetic field pattern of a conductor. If you have any doubt or problem, you can contact with me. I will solve that problem. Okay, thank you.